Most soundbars with subwoofers online promise thunderous bass, but under-deliver in real rooms. Pick wrong and you waste $200 and still miss the punch. Ever wished your living room sounded cinematic without a mountain of wires? Take a breath. This video breaks down the best options and makes shopping simple. Today, I'm going to be going over the best soundbars with subwoofer that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the ULTIMEA Poseidon M30. This soundbar pairs with a wireless subwoofer for flexible placement, letting you optimize speaker layout without cable clutter. The compact footprint blends into living rooms and home theaters while maintaining a visually balanced profile that complements modern furniture. VoiceMX technology applies real-time DSP to isolate vocal frequencies and boost intelligibility, ensuring dialogue remains crisp during action scenes. BassMX deep bass technology uses a high-excursion subwoofer design, a tuned cabinet, and dense magnetic circuit to deliver impactful, controlled bass. Within a broad frequency range from 45 Hz to 18 kHz, delivering deep lows and clear highs. Equipped with a 2.1-channel system, the soundbar and wireless subwoofer coordinate to deliver cinematic separation and spaciousness. Smart app control with a 10-band equalizer and 21 preset matrices allows tailoring for movies, music, and gaming with consistent results. Compared to the Sonos Arc with sub, the Poseidon M30 delivers more flexible sub placement and a stronger, more tactile bass presence. The pros include wireless subwoofer flexibility, VoiceMX clarity, and a robust app with 10-band equalizer. The cons include higher price versus budget rivals and a bulky wireless subwoofer demanding extra space in smaller rooms. The system delivers 240 watts peak output across a 2.1-channel configuration, ensuring cinematic realism and dynamic bass response. Mica-reinforced diaphragms increase rigidity and reduce distortion, translating into tighter imaging and more precise instrument separation across genres. Smart app control with a 10-band equalizer and a library of preset matrices makes tailoring the sound intuitive, fast, and repeatable. With a price around $69.99 USD and a strong customer rating, this model targets budget-minded home theater buyers seeking robust performance. At number 4, we have the Saiyin Sound Bar. From the moment you unbox it, the 5-inch subwoofer hints at a powerful low-end ideal for small to medium living spaces. The compact form with a separate subwoofer hints at easy placement under shelves or on a media console without crowding the room. The solid build quality combines a durable chassis with a subtle finish that resists fingerprints and fits modern home theater aesthetics. Its dimensions stay neighborly with a compact footprint and a freestanding subwoofer that blends into most room layouts. The 3-color LED indicators clearly identify optical, Bluetooth, or auxiliary input modes, while the soft light reduces distractions during late-night viewing. With 3 adjustable equalizer modes, it tailors the sound to news, movies, or music for a personalized listening experience. A versatile wireless and wired connection array lets you pair with phones, PCs, or TVs using Bluetooth or optical and auxiliary inputs. Compared to the Sonos Beam, the Saiyin delivers deeper bass yet can lag in voice clarity at low volumes. The pros include strong bass, effortless setup, and versatile connectivity that adapts to various devices and room layouts seamlessly. The cons include a higher price compared with competitors and a slightly bulky footprint that may challenge compact setups. In real-world testing, the 5-inch subwoofer delivers punchy low-end that energizes movies and games without overwhelming mid-range clarity. The 3 equalizer presets help preserve voice intelligibility during dialogue while enabling richer sound when watching action and music. The combination of wired optical input and Bluetooth pairing makes it easy to switch sources without constantly fiddling with settings. Overall, the Saiyin Sound Bar positions itself as a versatile option for home theaters, delivering robust bass and clear dialogue. At number 3, we have the ULTIMEA Poseidon M20 Pro. The all-in-one design integrates built-in dual speakers, a 3-inch subwoofer, and side-firing bass ports to deliver deeper lows. The compact footprint houses ULTIMEA BassMX, which enhances low frequencies with adjustable bass, letting the soundbar feel larger than its modest dimensions. ULTIMEA Smart App Control enables switching multiple EQ settings, adjusting bands and matrices, while regular OTA updates optimize performance for a seamless experience. Within the app, there are 121 preset equalizer matrices tailored for 4 sonic preferences: bass, pop, classical, and rock. 10-band equalizer settings offer 6 tailored modes including movie, music, voice, sport, game, and night, plus a customize option. Multi-connections include optical, AUX, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB inputs with a dedicated sub-out port for an external subwoofer. Priced at $49.99, the Poseidon M20 Pro carries a 4.3 out of 5 rating. Over the past month, more than 1,000 units were sold, reflecting strong online demand and favorable early reviews. Compared to the Sonos Arc, the Poseidon M20 Pro bundles a built-in subwoofer and flexible mounting, while Arc excels in ecosystem. The pros include built-in subwoofer, which delivers rich bass, extensive EQ presets for tailored sound, and versatile connectivity that covers multiple devices. The cons include no HDMI input and a somewhat complex app interface that may challenge casual users during initial setup and daily use. In testing, dialogue remained crisp, bass extended impressively, and overall balance remained steady across scenes, even at moderate listening levels in real rooms. Construction feels sturdy with a slim profile that harmonizes with most TV stands, wall mounts, and console setups while remaining unobtrusive. Excellent value for money in a compact, feature-rich soundbar with built-in subwoofer and flexible mounting options. At number 2, we have the ULTIMEA Skywave X50. From the moment you unbox it, the Skywave X50 feels purpose-built for cinephiles and home theater enthusiasts seeking a wireless setup. The chassis presents a premium blend of metal and refined plastics, with a sturdy footprint designed to stay stable while delivering balanced acoustics. Gravis ultralinear bass technology delivers clean, powerful sub-bass down to 28 Hz, maintaining fullness at high volumes through an oversized waveguide. The industry-leading GAN amplifier delivers 98% efficiency and 8 times faster response than silicon, reducing heat and enabling clean sound. Neurocore multi-channel audio engine uses a triple-core DSP and dual-core MCU deliver 24-bit 92 kHz audio with distortion. Compared to the Sonos Arc, the Skywave X50 offers more channel support and a wider sense of height and space. The pros include powerful bass, wireless freedom, and stellar clarity. The cons include high price and bulky footprint. In real-world testing, the Skywave X50 delivered immersive surround with precise imaging and dynamic range, peaking at 760 watts. Support for 4K HDR pass-through via HDMI eARC ensures seamless content synchronization with your source devices in modern home theater setups. The system includes 2 wireless surround speakers and an 8-inch subwoofer to deliver a complete immersive surround experience. Setup is streamlined through automatic syncing and clear LED indicators, while the dual 5 GHz wireless links minimize dropouts in busy environments. In daily use, the GAN amplifier runs cooler, which lowers heat output and supports longer listening sessions without performance degradation. Overall, the Skywave X50 stands out as a wireless, immersive, expandable system ideal for dedicated home theater setups seeking growth and flexibility. At number 1, we have the ULTIMEA Skywave X70. From the moment you unbox ULTIMEA Skywave X70, the premium brushed aluminum shell and refined metal grille convey premium build quality. Its wall-friendly profile harmonizes with a substantial footprint, signaling robust engineering and premium materials without compromising living room aesthetics. Design language carries a cinematic aura with rose gold accents and a wood-crafted subwoofer, giving a modern yet timeless vibe. The system pairs a 10-inch wireless subwoofer delivering deep bass down to 20 Hz, supported by a GAN amplifier for high efficiency. The 980-watt peak output implies room-shaking dynamics, while the dual 5 GHz wireless transmission promises stable, truly wireless setup. The Neurocore engine delivers precise 24-bit, 192 kHz audio across up to 17 channels for surround imaging. It also delivers 4K HDR pass-through and OTA updates via the ULTIMEA app. Listeners gain a 10-band EQ and presets. A refined metal grille with rose gold accents and a wood-crafted subwoofer blends modern elegance with robust audio performance. Next-generation wireless freedom comes from dual 5 GHz links with advanced protocols, delivering stable connections and zero dropouts during crucial scenes. Neurocore delivers up to 2000 MIPs processing power, supporting up to 17 channels for pinpoint surround imaging, height realism, and spatial fidelity. With 4K HDR pass-through and OTA updates via the ULTIMEA app, listeners gain a 10-band EQ and presets. Compared to the Sonos Arc, the ULTIMEA Skywave X70 delivers broader height effects and deeper bass thanks to its multi-channel engine. Here are the standout advantages: exceptionally flexible wireless setup, thunderous subwoofer performance across the room, and richly detailed multi-channel imaging. The downsides include a premium price that may stretch budgets and a fairly sizable footprint that could dominate compact living rooms.